Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Cologne Mesh Visitor Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, arms, seat base in 3 parts, Allen key, 16 bolts and 4 nylon washers, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen keys provided to remove these. To start, take the 3 parts of the base and assemble like this, making sure the 4 lugs are pointing inwards. Insert the 2 countersunk bolts and tighten them up. Attach the backrest to the seat pad using the 4 bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Then, using the 6 bolts, attach the arms to the seat pad. When fitted, both arms should be pointing forward with the buttons on the outside. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Locate the 4 nylon washers over the holes that the base will fix to and attach the base to the seat pad with the 4 bolts provided. Once the 4 bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they come loose. And there you have it, your Cologne Visitor Chair from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.